You have just received your COEO Brasero Trio Oven. Let's proceed with the unboxing and assembly step by step. First, take everything out of the box. The pizza peel, the baking stone, the thermometer, the oven, and finally, the reversible cast iron plate. Place the oven rack on the Trio. Then, unwrap the reversible cast iron baking plate and place it on the rack. Next, place the baking stone on top of it. Take the thermometer and insert it into the oven lid. Now you can take the bell and place it on the Trio. Then you can unpack the pizza peel and assemble it using the tools provided. Now all that's left is for you to enjoy it.